Hello, this is part one of the preparation for Workshop Your Words. What do I do? You can follow the links below to find out about the workshop itself, and I will try to stop looking away from the camera. So this is what I want you to do for the first part of the preparation. All the preparation is voluntary, so if you come to the workshop and you haven't done any of it, it's going to be all right. You're going to just be working from where you're working. So if you want to put some time into it before and you have some time before, then you can use these videos to guide some of your preparation, and make sure that you choose the stuff that's speaking to you, because that's important. So the first thing for this preparation is I want you to change your state of being somehow. So maybe you're going to do some stretching, or change your clothes, or find a new place to work. I'll just sort my clothes out here. This feels vaguely more. Sort the hair out. Yeah, I think change the state of being and get ready to contemplate something. So I want you to think about what you do, and think about the people that you affect. So what do you do to them, and how are they moved by what you do? So that's the focus for this, and maybe you want to take that question and take it for a walk, or sit with some note-taking, some drawings, listen to some music. I dictate stuff because I don't like writing. So whatever your process is, just take this, think about the people that you affect, and see what comes to you when you think about that and the effect that you're having on them. So the idea is to just focus on that, meditate on that. Maybe you come back to it in the morning and see, but whatever makes sense to you in terms of documenting this, that's cool. So that's it for today's prep. If you're here and you're like doing the workshop tonight and you're like, there's too many things to do, then just pick what makes sense to you. And if you're watching the video and you're not coming to the workshop, then maybe you want to come. So again, have a look, and maybe I'll see you there. Thank you. Bye.